Hello, everybody. My name is Alex. I'm a professional photographer and have been doing it since childhood. My camera is always with me, so I never miss capturing the right moment. Ready. I want to share some news with you. As you know, artificial intelligence has come to the aid of us photographers. And with its help, we can create excellent photos using our computers. One of the best programs for creating photos is MidJourney. Unfortunately, not everyone knows how to use it. I want to share some great news. Recently, I found an excellent guide for photographers on the internet, which allows us to create excellent photos even without the necessary camera, quality lens, or suitable photo studio. It's called a brief guide, Mind Map for Photographers. Now I'll show you its presentation. Unfortunately, I don't know how to create educational videos to explain to you how to use this guide. Although, wait a minute, I have a friend who can do it. Let me call him now. Hello, Jack. Can you create an educational video for my friends?
Hello, Alex. Of course I'll help you. Tell me what it's about.
Great, Jack. Let's meet up, and I'll tell you everything and show you when we meet.
Friends, soon on the Source of Knowledge YouTube channel, an educational video will be released about how Mind Map for Photographers can help you. And now, watch its presentation.
Let me introduce you to Mind Map, tailored for photographers working with MidJourney. Let's dive into the world of photography, where creativity knows no bounds. From timeless classics to avant-garde experiments, photographers explore a multitude of styles to capture the essence of their subjects. But what tools do photographers use to bring their visions to life with MidJourney? Cameras, from compact point-and-shoots to powerful DSLRs, each offering its unique set of features and capabilities. Paired with the right lens, photographers can manipulate perspective, depth of field, and focal length to create the desired composition. Ah, lenses. Magic behind every sharp detail and creamy bulk. From wide-angle wonders to telephoto marvels, lenses come in various shapes and sizes, each serving a specific purpose in a photographer's arsenal. Whether capturing vast landscapes, intimate portraits, or crisp macro shots, the right lens can transform an ordinary photograph into an extraordinary one. And let's not forget about light, the cornerstone of photography. Natural light envelops scenes in soft, ethereal glow, while artificial light sources offer control and precision in shaping light spots and shadows. Whether it's the warm embrace of the golden hour or the dramatic interplay of light and shadow in a studio setting, lighting sets the mood and enhances the visual narrative. So join us on this exciting journey through the world of photography in MidJourney, where style, technique, and creativity intertwine to create timeless masterpieces.